Staycation na parang club? Seryoso ba to? Nanobabaw Kabalan, welcome to Pampanga. Today, ipapakita namin sa inyo ang isa sa most unique staycation we've discovered. Music lounge meets party pool vibes. Nandito kami ngayon sa Duquit, Mabalacat, Pampanga para i-feature ang Casa Besso pool bar. Napaka-unique nito. Outdoor setup, parang music lounge. Pool with glass area, tapos yung lights, sumasabay sa tunog ng musika. Paano to naging staycation? Let me walk you through Casa Besso. Una, yung outdoor area. Parang sunken living area with tables and couches. We sat there, super comfortable, Bluetooth controlled ang music. So you choose the vibe. Yung lights, LED strips, color changing, party mode, or chill mode. Depende sa gusto mo. Sumasabay talaga siya sa beat. Tapos yung swimming pool, small to medium ang size. May glass area pa para nakikita from inside. Design-wise, ang galing. Now yung indoor accommodations, welcome ka sa living area. Kitchen, dining, and 2 bedrooms. Yung colors, vibrant but not too loud. Brown, orange, and green colors dominate. Still chill, pero mag-enjoy ka talaga sa design. Now the kitchen, it's fully equipped. May cooking utensils, refrigerator, stoves. It's complete. Then lastly, yung bedrooms. First room has a queen-size bed plus a single-size bed. Now the second room has 2 bunk beds. Dorm type ang setup. Perfect for groups. All rooms may aircon. Meron din bathrooms. All in all, around 12 people kasya comfortably dito. Now, yung napakalawak na parking area, parang kasya dito ang 15 cars at the same time. Perfect for big events, birthday parties, team building, and family reunions. Even barkada trips. Good for overnight or day use, party mode or chill mode, you choose. Personally, this staycation is party, unique, and spacious. Hindi to yung typical design na alam natin, and yes, babalikan namin with friends and family. Casa Besso Pool Bar, Duquit, Mabalacat, Pampanga. Check their FB page for bookings and drop party mode sa comments. Tag your squad and save this para sa next celebration or getaway ninyo. See you at Casa Besso.